Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RWP101. Make sure to smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. It really helps out my channel, especially if you like this content and you want to see more, just like it. So before I talk anymore, let's get into this trade right now because I want to get on this trade. So this is Nasdaq futures with funding ticks. This is an eval account. I've noticed. So the market just opened up at 3 Pacific. I guess you want to say, yeah, 3 o'clock Pacific time, which would be, I guess, 6 o'clock Eastern time. So here we are. So this is the opening candle right here, I believe. Yeah. So this guy right here. So this is where it closed at 2 p.m. Pacific, and this is where it just opened up. So it kind of shot up like a rocket. Let's see how many points it went up. So it went from 90. So about 99 to, you know, 18. So it went up about 19 points right at that first 5 minutes, which is a good jump. So we're gonna see if what's gonna happen here. I actually like to play the opening of this because it usually does like a little spike and then it kind of retraces back, and kind of goes the other way. But not always, guys. But we'll see what happens here. So right now we got a nice little retracement here. This looks kind of like a bull flag to me, where it kind of goes down and it's kind of going up. But we're gonna see if we can take advantage of this price action here. So let's blow this up a little more so we can see what we're doing. And here we go. Okay, so now let's check out the 15-minute chart here. Kind of looks like it's going up, according to this little chart here. So let's see. Just gonna draw a couple trend lines here. So this is the 15-minute chart. We were looking at the 5-minute chart before. This is the EMA line here, this blue one. I really don't use it too much, guys, but I'm strictly just price action, guys. I haven't watched the news. I don't know what's going on in the world. I'm kind of a hermit, I guess. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's yeah. So this is the beginning of the next candle here. So we're gonna see if we can get some higher highs. So usually, if it pushes above the high of the first 5 minutes or the first 15 minutes, that's a good sign. It might keep going higher, guys. So we're gonna see if it breaks this line right here. So let's go back to here. So this is what I'm looking at right here. So this is 2140 right there. Now, what I can do here is use my official RWP strategy, guys. So if I think it's going to have a rejection right here, I'm actually going to go short and see maybe if it will pull back. That could be crazy because it looks to me like it's actually going to go up. But sometimes you kind of want to do, I don't know, you can do the opposite of what you're thinking. I don't know what you want to call it, but because the market does do crazy things, especially when it first opens, and it doesn't necessarily follow trend lines or anything like that. So it kind of does its own thing. So we're gonna see if we can take advantage of that. Okay. So looks like it's getting close to that high there. I'm going to go ahead and let's go ahead and sell a contract, guys. So I put a stop loss right at the top of this candle here. And that way, if it hits it, you know, we can be in and out real quick. And if it crosses over that this candle here, then we'll go long instead of short. Because it loves to kind of go up and then down, guys. So I gotta put these headphones on here, guys, because got some background noise here. Okay, do I look official now? Because usually, you know, it's kind of weird how the market is designed for you to lose money, guys. Uh, so normally I would look at this and I'd be long all day. You know what I mean? And it could actually go up still. You know what I mean? But now usually what happens is I'd go long, and then what would happen? It would crash down. You know, and so I'm gonna kind of do opposite right now and see if it works out. You know, it might not. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sell another contract because I'm getting really close to that high. So I put another stop loss. Or I guess, yeah, stop losses. So now we're for two contracts. Now, funding ticks only allows us to do four contracts, guys. So we're already halfway through our contracts already. Um, so we're going to see if my favorite is to do two contracts because that way you can kind of take profits as it goes in the green, and you can kind of buy dips and stuff like that. I think I might hit our stop loss here, guys. Now, if it hits our stop loss, I don't want to panic because, you know, I don't want to immediately go long. You know what I mean? I probably, because it could be a fake out. You know what I mean? Sometimes what happens is it might cross this line and then shoot back down, uh, you know, just slightly. I could probably move my stop losses up a little bit just because I'm literally right on that line there, which is, you know, kind of risky, I guess you could say. Uh, but I'm trying not to lose. I'm trying to lose very little money. You know what I mean? Like if this goes the wrong way, I'm only out like I don't know, 50 to $100 or something like that, which is nothing. And so we're gonna see if we can take advantages. So this is looking good. Make sure you always get your cup of Joe, guys. Make sure to comment down below. Tell me your favorite cup of Joe. Tell me if you're Starbucks guy, Dutch Bros. Um, you know, there's so many coffee stands around there. I don't even know. Wake up call. You know, I don't know. I'm from Spokane, so we got a bunch of weird uh, coffee stands. Starbucks seems to be fading out. I don't know. What do you think, guys? I haven't really heard too much about Starbucks lately. I know they were still huge. Don't get me wrong, but I know at like the airport they got rid of it. At least at my airport, right now it's like Pete's Coffee. But I heard they're actually going to change it up to like Thomas Hammer or something like that. So yeah. So let's get in the money, guys. Okay, if we can bust through this low of this candle, I think we're off to the races. Okay, so this is not looking good. This candle turns red, that'll look real good. I mean, this at the end of this 5 minutes, still got a long way to go in this candle. We're only halfway through this candle right now. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, I'm getting nervous, guys. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Should I sell another contract? What do you think? So we're getting close to the half-hour mark. So anything can happen, guys. Usually gets pretty crazy. What's your favorite hour marker? Is it the half hour? Is it the Okay, so we just busted through. And as you can see, it just took out our stop loss and immediately started going down. We're gonna see if it what happens here. Actually, you know what? I screwed up, guys. So this is actually a mistake, but it's actually working in our favor right now. Uh, so it actually, I thought that was, I was an idiot, guys. So I actually thought I was doing a stop loss right here, but I actually bought or sold two more contracts. So I'm up to four contracts. So I'm actually going to, right now I'm in the profit right now. So I'm up $265. So I'm actually going to sell one of those guys just to be safe. So I'm up, let's see, I'm going to buy it. Okay, so now I'm back down to two contracts. So we're still up uh, 200 bucks. Let's see what we're up for the day. We're up 292 for the day, roughly. So I'm trying to get my account balance up to as close to 52,000 as I can. It's going to be a little less than 52,000 because I think it was like 962. So we're going to try for 51,962, guys, and see how close we can get. Okay, this is actually looking excellent. So we're getting some red candles here. Nice little push down. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good, guys. That was total luck right there. I don't know what I was thinking. I normally buy, I normally go long more than I short, which I'm trying to short more often, guys, because it is an issue with me because I just think everything is going to go long. You know what I mean? And it's really a 50-50 thing. You know what I mean? It's a flip of a coin if it's going to go up or down. So now in the long term, yeah, if you're in it for years or months or whatever, stocks should go up, right? But guys, we're talking 5 minutes, 20-minute trades. It's a 50-50 shot. So if this comes back up and retraces a little bit on this candle here, I'm gonna probably sell. Let's do it. Okay, we're up to 4 contracts, guys. We're kind of maxed out here. Now this could go the other way, but we're going to try for some quick little profits here. I'm trying to take advantage of each candle, guys. So every candle you want to see if you can make a profit on. Okay, so I'm going to go. So this time I'm going to buy, guys, not sell. So that's my take profit. Let's go ahead and do 2 of them there. So the reason why I want to try to take as much advantage of each candle as possible is because I don't know how many times, guys, I've been in trades where you're up 300, down 300, up 300, down 300. And so, and if I played that little swing for the whole hour or whatever time I was looking at the trade, I'd be up like thousands. You know what I mean? And so I'm trying to take advantage of the swings, guys. So here we go. Come on, baby. Let's hit it. How low can we go? Let's see if we can retest that bottom of the candle. And we'll just put this one up kind of towards the bottom. So I've seen it a lot of times where candles, even if we're going to go the wrong way, guys, even if it does go long, the candle will come down, maybe get close to the bottom, and then shoot back up. So we just want to take advantage of that. Okay, this looks like it's going the wrong way, guys. Let's see what this 15-minute looks like. That looks very bearish. I mean, bullish. Should we go long, guys? I probably should have put a stop loss up here, guys. Sorry. Getting slow to the punch here. Need more coffee. To me, it looks like it wants to go down. I mean, just looking at this little candle here, I think of the market like a living, breathing animal. It loves to have like a little heartbeat, and when you trade enough, guys, you kind of see it. It's kind of like looking at the forest between the trees, but I could be wrong too, guys. It could go straight up to the moon here. And it could be wishful thinking too, because we are in the red. I mean, the one good thing is that we did take a little profit. I probably should have waited for more confirmation before I went more short. I'd love to see a little red candle right here, guys. So right now we're halfway through this candle. All we need is $1,000, guys. That's all we need. Sorry, my phone's going off. Silence this bad boy. Otherwise, it'll go off nonstop. Come on, get in the green. Get in the green. Oh, saw a flash of green there. Okay, with a minute and a half of this candle. Come on, stay red, stay red. If this candle goes green, I might go long, guys. It's looking good. Okay, 1 minute left. It's a good sign. It's a good sign, guys. So right now we're just trying to take advantage of the choppiness. The market's been very, very choppy lately. And, and the chop has been so aggressive that usually it takes out my stop losses. And then, or I just have to sell it because I'm losing too much or whatever. So I'm just trying to take advantage of a quick short-term chop where I can make $1,000 and get out, guys. So when the market's choppy, you really just want to, you don't want to go full bull, you don't want to go full bear, you know what I mean? So you don't want to like think it's going to go to the moon or crash, to oblivion or anything like that. It's going to rebound often. And it's going to have huge rebounds too. Where it'll go down, 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 maybe take an hour, and then it'll like boom, like it'll literally like rebound everything it lost in an hour, um, within a minute. Okay, so that's looking excellent, guys. Right now we're right at our line. Let's get some water. Okay, this is not looking very bullish to me because you're getting a lot of get the red green here. See what the 15-minute chart looks like. Now that chart looks pretty bullish. And really, guys, when it's choppy like this, you can make money either way. I could have made money going long. I could have made money going short. So stuff like if I would have, dollar cost average, maybe down to here and had a rebound, and yeah. So I mean, right now I'm just hoping I get a little more choppiness going on. Just trying to test that high, guys. So this is where I actually want it to be choppy, guys. I don't want it to. I don't know. I just had it in my head today, guys, that I just wanted to, you know, I didn't want to follow the normal patterns as far as, bull flags, bear flags, stuff like that, because this is total bull flag, guys. I would say this is probably could go up higher for sure, but I'm banking on the chop, guys, because the last couple weeks have been very, very choppy, uh, where it fakes me out every time, where I think it's going to go big, and then it crashes down. So that's what I'm hoping for. Just got to play what the market gives you. Right now, it's not giving me much. I'm liking the looks of that retracement there. Can we get 2 red candles in a row? So we're heading to the end of the 15-minute candle. It's 3:43. Got 1 minute left. Can we go red? So if you were to ask me, what my strategy is, probably my strategy is probably like today is probably I'm just hoping for the chop. You know what I mean? Uh, and but normally I look for bull flags, bear flags, great setups. You know what I mean? Now if I saw like the A+ setup, where it was rebounding, let's say it crashed, 1,000 points and I had a nice wick at the bottom where it looked like it was going to shoot back up. Yeah, I would go long, guys, and I'd stay long. But when the market just opens like this, basically anything can happen. And usually, this opening strategy that I have, usually it's pretty choppy. You just kind of it just kind of goes up and down, and doesn't normally just go one direction. So I'm hoping for the down, guys. Okay, let's check out this 15-minute chart here. Still looking pretty bullish, guys. Did we go the wrong way? I mean, it did break past this point right here. But it did do that in that opening candle there. So it does have a long way to go up. But we're hoping for the chop, guys. Where is the chop? I want to see some chop. Okay, so I'm just hoping for this to go down to this trend line here. I'm not gonna bank on it breaking the trend line or anything like that. So we're just hoping it retraces back to here. So where is that exactly? That's about 30. That's 813, something like that. So right now we have these take profits at 816, 815. Let's put another one, 813. Okay, so we got full all 4 take profits on there. Oh, what is that, guys? I must have missed it talking to you here. but we did get a nice little retracement here. It did rebound, but I like to see red. I want to see more red. A lot of red, green, red, green. I'm hoping my camera lasts. There was some settings on here. This is a brand new camera I got, and I'm still learning how to use it. So it's basically been overheating on me, guys. And so I'm trying to minimize the overheating. So hopefully this video doesn't last too long because otherwise it might cut out on me. I tried doing the video yesterday, guys, and it stopped working because it got too hot. Ah, man, just keeps going up. Why? Why? Because it's supposed to, right? We're supposed to go opposite. So when do you think I should sell this, guys? There really isn't a good place to put a stop loss in here. I think I'm just doing a mental stop loss right now. Right now we're down close to 600 bucks, so we don't want to lose too much more. Okay, so big candles can be a good thing. Sometimes when you have a big spike, you also have a big drop. Not always, guys. Let's see how this bad boy is looking here. So I'm thinking it's probably going to test the top of this candle right here. So right about 832. And I'm hoping to get a pullback. Okay, guys, so if this is a choppy day, this would crash right now. Now, if this doesn't crash, then I think we might be in for a bull market. Where is the chop? I can't believe I'm rooting for a chop, guys. It's normally not my strategy, but I've been kind of getting burned lately, so I'm trying to do something a little different today, and hopefully it doesn't bite me in the butt here. I'd love to see a retracement halfway through this candle here. If it goes halfway down, that'd be a very good sign. Come on, baby. You're almost there. Okay. I think we just passed it, guys. Here comes the chop. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. Come on. Chop it. Chop it. Keep going. I know you want to. There it is. There it is. That's what I'm used to, guys. Now, see, if I was going long right now, it would drop all the way past this candle and then beyond. And it'd probably go all the way down to where this EMA line is here. So, uh, so let's hope that happens, guys. And I'd love to sell it right at that EMA line. So this is very typical, guys. Okay, this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is exciting now, okay? So we didn't panic. We're in it to win it, guys. Okay, so basically we got to take profit basically at every point here. So we got 16, 15, looks like 13. So between 13 and 16, guys. Come on, let's hit it. Where's that chop? Chop, chop, chop. Now, if I was smart, I probably should have put a take profit right there while we were in the green, just in case it goes the wrong way again. Because right now, technically, we're still kind of in the trend here, where it's kind of like going up. So we haven't quite crossed that line right there. I can probably draw it for you if you guys are confused about it. Yeah, so basically we're looking at, oh shit. So if we can cross this line, guys, we're off to the races and we should be making some money. Cross it, cross it. See how that 15-minute chart looks. I like it. I like that. I call it the devil cross right there. The upside down devil cross, right? Okay. Almost even, guys. Come on, I know you want to punch through. Almost to 4 o'clock, guys. 5 minutes away. So let's see if top of the hour is a winner for us, guys. It's probably going to have to wait till 4 o'clock and then it should do something crazy. What's it going to do, guys? Uh, right now, it's not doing much. So this time of day is a lot slower than like tomorrow morning, for instance, because like you know 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning or whatever. I mean, you're talking the market's just like and it's pretty crazy. So if you like that, guys, be my guest. But this one here is a little slower, a little less anxiety written. So we'll see if we can do good here. Uh, Devil Cross went away. Okay, let's see if we can get it back. Got 2 minutes left, minute and a half. Want to see a nice red candle right here, guys. So yesterday, it went up for like I want to say like 2 hours straight, like no joke. Like it was just. Da, 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 da. So hopefully that's not the case today because that would be terrible for, especially since I'm short right now. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna stay in the green here. We got 40 seconds left. So unless something crazy happens, we are back in the negative. We're positive just for a little short period. I was a little slow to the punch, guys. Should have probably took a take profit just to get a contract off the table. It's one thing I need to start working on is being quicker at that. So if you see green, guys, you gotta take it. Especially if you have multiple contracts. Just take a contract off the table. Just once you see green, just take it off the table. Take it off the table. Take it off the table. Man. Okay, so we're looking at a good hour solid in the green, guys. Now yesterday it was like 2 hours. I mean, it was like this over here, where it was just like, boop. Should I went long? Should I went long? Okay, so that's looking very bullish to me, guys. Should I switch it up? Or just sell and get out? Take a break. Come on, where's that chop? I need the choppiness. Guys, this is a terrible trade. It's good for probably total of like a minute. Okay, guys, I'm probably gonna sell this here soon. We're down 700 right now. So my theory is it's gonna hit the top of this right here and then correct. Don't know if it's gonna happen, guys. Where is the chop? Okay. And more. Liking the wick. Need to see some red though. Okay. 5 minute candle. Got 40 seconds left. If we can hold this, guys, I think we got a prayer. Okay, looking good. Nice red candle. Where's that chop at? Check out that 15-minute candle. Candle is still young, guys. Still very young. It's funny how you can look at this and think, oh yeah, it's definitely going to go down. But then you look at the 15-minute chart and you're like, I don't know. It still looks pretty bullish, you know. So it's kind of interesting. So usually when both charts kind of align, that's usually when you see the big swings, guys. Remember, it's the 5 minute and 15 minute. That's what I use. You can use whatever. Tell me down below which one's your favorite. If it's a 3 minute, 1 minute. I know some people like the 1 minute, especially when they're going trading during the day. Uh, but me, I don't know. I like to see the bigger picture. A lot of times, the bigger picture makes trading a lot easier, guys. Got like a frog in my throat or something. Need to cross that trend line, guys. Right here. Just need to cross that guy right there. Where is the chop? Man, oh man. Another reason why I like to trade this time of day is because things are a lot slower and gives me a little more time to think. Because sometimes when you trade during the day, uh, man, the market is so fast that you just don't have time to think, because the you just miss all the little micro aggressions and all that stuff, and you just can't. And then if you start losing it all, then you start going crazy, guys. Then you start panicking and start buying and selling all over the place. And so this here, it just keeps me a little calmer. And usually, what I've noticed is this time of day is very forgiving. So like right now I'm negative, but a lot of times it'll come back around and I'll get back in the positive, and then I can at least get out, start over fresh later. Which I'm thinking this might be one of those trades. So I'm just hoping to make a couple $100. If I can make uh, like 400 or 500 bucks, I'd be very happy with this trade. Because like right now we're negative 400 right now. It's better than the 800. It was over $800. So we've already recovered over half our losses, and yeah. So and you want to sell high, buy low, right? And right now, this is the high right now. So just try to tell yourself that uh, this is the high and this is the low, right? Now, is it going to get down to here? Probably not, but I mean, it might, eventually. It's looking much better, guys. Down 200 bucks. That's basically where we were at from the beginning, almost. It was probably dumb of me to buy those two contracts. Looking back, I probably should have held off a little bit, and then I could have maybe played the price action a little better. So still holding on to this trend right here. It's got another little trend line kind of going up. I'd love to see it break it. Let's go back to the 5 minute. See what we're looking at. Well, it did break the 5 minute trend here, which is a hopeful sign. But this trend line doesn't really mean much, guys. It's just there for giggles. Okay, we're almost to that EMA line. And that's basically where that line is basically right at our break even point. So I'm hoping we can push past it. Come on, we need to get down to 20s here. We need to get down to 2-0. Little GTO. Wish I could play some music. Let me know what kind of music you guys like. I would mind playing some music in the background. Uh, but I know a lot of there's copyrights on everything, so I probably have to play like some generic, you know, weird, like elevated music sort of stuff. But yeah, we'll see if we can play some music in the background. This you guys just love my voice, right? Okay, this video is going a lot longer than I wanted. Looking probably what, 45 minutes now. So much for the 5 minute trade, guys. That's how it usually works for me. I don't know. Never, nothing ever goes to plan for according to plan. Ugh, man. Okay, got a minute left to this 15-minute candle. We're almost at 4:15. Ooh, I like the nice little red cross right there. Can we keep it red? We need to keep it red, guys. Where is our cross? So this was a terrible entry, guys. But, like I said, it's kind of a flip of a coin. You know what I mean? Uh, you just don't know. I don't care if the stars align or not. Sometimes, I like to play by the gut. You know what I mean? I vest pretty much my gut a lot of times. So usually it's does okay for me. Like I said, guys, super choppy. Right now, I wish we were taking advantage of this choppiness right here. We get that's money right there. That's $300-400 up and down. Come on, we need to break our break-even point here. Get below that EMA. We're definitely well past this little imaginary trend line here. Got a nice little wick on top of this candle. It's looking good, guys. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Ugh, so close. So I'm gonna keep an eye out for, guys, is a line of resistance right here. I've seen it where like it'll stop at a point and then bounce off that and then just keep going up, keep going up, keep going up. And it'll bounce like, I don't know, gosh, guys, like I don't know, like maybe 10, 10 times or so, and then it will go boosh and it'll like shoot up, right? Because it's resistance. I mean, it's not punching through. So I'm keeping an eye on that right there, guys, for basically like a little bull flag. I'm hoping it doesn't do it right this second. So that'd be bad. So I may want to sell a contract right at this line here, guys. Because if this retraces back, uh, that might be my only opportunity to sell before it shoots to the moon. Let's check out this. Okay, we're still looking good. Ooh, I like that little blip. I don't know what that blip was. Looks like Thor was doing this little, causing the blip, right? Bringing everybody back, right? Bringing everybody back to life. Bring me back to life. Come on, blip. Need a blip. Oh, that's not no blip. Oh, come on. Okay, so this is our 15-minute trend line. Still hasn't crossed the 15-minute trend line yet. It hit right on it. That may have been our chance to sell, guys. Hopefully, we didn't miss out. So we need this to get past, what number is this here? 21. 21 is the magic number. Come on, it's a couple points, guys. It's crazy this time of day. You're begging for like 2, 3 points. You know what I mean? Where during the day, like in the morning or whatever, you're talking hundreds of points, 50 points, 20 points. You know what I mean? At a sneeze. You know what I mean? So this is definitely a lot slower, guys. It's looking good though. I'm liking it. Okay, I saw a blip. See him get down below that trend line, guys. Oh, getting close to 21. Should we sell, guys, at 21? Think it's going to bounce off? I think it's going to bust. It's busting. It's busting. So technically it did break just slightly. I mean, just barely. Oh, man. I'm liking these candles, though. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, we definitely broke that time. There's the EMA. We're above that. Or below it, I mean. Almost even. This is the 15-minute EMA. So we got a long way to go down with this one. So technically, we could probably... This could probably go all the way down to here. Here, guys. 73,800. What do you think? Think there's a chance? You saying there's a chance? Are you saying? She's saying there's a chance. Ugh. We did break through that trend line there. Almost even. Again, this was a terrible entry, guys. If I was just more patient, I would have got in probably after this red candle here. But you know what? Our entry would probably be about the same. So, you know, which strategy is better? You know what I mean? So it looks like my camera is overheating as we speak here, guys. So it's probably going to shut off on me. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna stay in this trade, guys. So if this camera does shut off, you can at least see the trade live. So stick with me. Make sure to like and subscribe before my camera goes out, and make sure to comment down below. Make sure to give me suggestions. If you think my strategy sucks, just tell me I suck or something like that. But be nice, guys. Like that, all fun, right? All fun. Um, but as you can see here, I'm gonna see if we can make that 1,000, guys, and go from there. Uh, so let's stay in it. Oh, it says temperature high, guys. It's gonna blow. It's gonna blow. Okay, I'm gonna move some of these take profits, guys, like way down here. So I'm gonna take advantage of these two. So right now we're up 80 bucks. 80 bones. Now we're even. Think we can go all the way down here, guys. What do you think? Usually when I see a candle this long here, it loves to retrace all the way down to the bottom of that. I don't know why, but it loves to do that. Okay, guys, we're up 140 bucks. I'd love to get rid of some of these contracts just so we can play some of the price action. Well, candle still, not candle, the camera's still holding on, guys. Said it's hot. It's too hot to trot. So yeah, so I definitely want to get out of this trade down here. Okay, so we just got one filled. So here, this is where I'm going to try to do a little price action here. So if we can retrace back up here, I'll sell another contract. Let's see if we can play with it a little bit. Make some quick bucks. Quick bucks. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I just order sold again. And let's put another buy order down there. That way when it traces down, I'm making some money, guys. Take advantage of that. Because we missed a lot of the price action up here, guys. So I'm going to try to take advantage down here a little bit. Let's move this over so I can see where my stops are. Sometimes it bites me in the butt when I do this, though, when I sell a contract, buy a contract, sell a contract, buy a contract. But it works out often. I wouldn't say all the time, guys, because sometimes I get totally screwed. But because especially when it goes the opposite way, and if you're all in with 4 or 5 contracts, then it can hurt you. Um, so But I'm just trying to take advantage of this down push. So hopefully we don't get any choppiness now. It hasn't been choppy this whole time, so hopefully we get some chop down at least. And I think I might be getting a little greedy for this going all the way down here. Let me move up these take profits to the bottom of this candle here. I've noticed too, it hasn't been going according to plan as far as where it normally goes. So I'm going to see if I can just take some profits while I can. Okay, so right now we're up $246 for the day. This is always deceiving here, seeing $40, because that's just as the contracts are. That's not what the profits we took already. So right now we're looking at this total balance here. I want to get up to 51,962, guys. So we got about $800 left. Okay, we're almost at the end of this candle. 26 seconds. Not looking good. Showing a little green. Okay, so if this... I want to see some of this wick go away here. I don't like that bottom wick right there. I need it to go down. Down. Okay. So that's the end of the candle. Okay. Let's get a push lower. And of course it goes higher. I mean, that's not a terrible looking candle. I've seen a lot worse. If this was a higher wick, I'd probably maybe do a reverse and go long. Now this doesn't look good here. Got that wick right there. Because this could be a, what do you call that? Where it kind of goes up, down 2 candles, up, down 2 candles, up. So hopefully that's not what happens. So we just want it to go down, guys. Just keep it simple. Simple, stupid. So if I take out these stops right here, or these take profits, because most likely what's going to happen is it's going to have 2 green candles, two red candles, then a green candle. And see how this green candle kind of goes lower than this candle here? So I'm thinking that's what might happen. It might shoot down, hit my take profits, and it may shoot back up, guys. Yeah, we're pushing almost all-time highs here, guys. I don't know what the high was yesterday. Looks like 23,887. I think the all-time high was what, 24,000, guys? So we're almost there, guys. Almost to all-time highs. Okay. I'm liking that. I'm not liking that. Come on, just make it easy. Let's go down. You want to go down. I think sometimes it's actually easier to make money when the market is super crazy, like in the morning when it's swinging, 100 points or down 100 points or something like that. Because as long as you got some money to lose, I guess you could say, you can just put your take profit just, a little bit up, and most likely it's the market's swinging so much, it's gonna hit it. You know what I mean? So that's kind of a strategy I use sometimes during the day when the market is really wild. But this time of day, I like to just kind of hang out. Okay, we're getting a nice push down. I'm liking the redness. Okay. So we're actually taking little bites here, guys. We're making some money. Here, I'm gonna move this down just a hair. For a little spike down. There it is. Okay. Okay, we're doing good, guys. We're over halfway there. We're up almost 500 bucks for the day. Okay, nice little push down. I'd be a little nervous to buy any more contracts because this is usually sometimes where it will do a reversal. I mean, at the most, I might sell one more contract. Or we can just hold on to it, guys. See how this 15-minute chart looks. Okay, let's okay, we're gonna try to sell one more time. There we go. I don't know why I keep trying to buy for my take profits or sell. Now, if we see a green candle here at all, guys, I'll probably be out. You know what I mean? Just take my money and run. Got 2 minutes left this candle. It's pushing up pretty hard, guys. We're going to have the reversal. I almost sold again, guys. I know I said I wasn't going to, but it was tempting. It's hard when you see it get cheaper, you know what I mean? But you do get screwed if it is a true reversal. Okay, we got 57 seconds left of this candle. Right now we're in the green, which doesn't look too good for if we're going short, right? Okay, 11 seconds left. Okay, guys, you gotta be ready to cancel out of this trade because if it starts going wrong here, uh, we gotta be quick. Hoping this little fake out, hoping it goes back down, but it could totally be a reversal here. I'm liking that. Oh, nice. Okay, we're getting a lot of price action here. I'm gonna move my take profits down a little bit. Getting close to our goal, guys. We're only 300 bucks away. Can we do it? Woo! Okay. Okay, let's see if we can do a little price action here. We just need to make another 100 bucks or so, guys. That's all we need. So now we're at 800. Need 962, guys. 962. Don't need any reversals here, guys. Just need one more push down. One more push down and we'll be done. Okay, it's getting close to halfway through this candle. It's thinking about doing a reversal here, guys. Okay. Do not need a reversal at this time. We're almost there, guys. Just need this last candle to behave itself. Just moving my take profits around here, guys. Just trying to make sure I get filled. If it does spike, it's going to spike quick. So you want to make sure to have your take profits ready to go. Okay, we're getting close here, guys. Oh, man, so close. It's right there. Man, we're like $100 off, guys. Should we just cancel it? Boom. Ooh. Okay, guys. So our goal was to make $1,000. Right now we're at $51,949. So literally we're only off $13, guys, from 1,000. That is freaking awesome. Okay, so right there, you got $986.62 for the day. That's as close to $1,000 as you can get, guys, without going over. So now we could try to do $14, guys, but we'd be stupid. We'd be stupid. So we're done for the day. It'd be pointless to do any more than 1,000 for this eval. So I'm done, guys. What do you guys think? It was kind of a long video, like always, of course. And I'm glad my camera behaved itself and kept working. So make sure to like, subscribe down below if you like this. And if you got any information out of it, make sure to comment down below. And peace out.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.